Good morning, students of class 12. Now, in accounting, third part of T.S. Grewal, we would like to start second chapter, that is financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis is the process of analyzing statements, that is balance sheet, statement of profit and loss, and cash flow statement of an enterprise. Analysis of financial statement is a systematic process of analyzing the financial information in the financial statements to understand and take economic decision. In this way, financial statement analysis is largely a study of relationship amongst the various financial factors in a business, as disclosed by a single set of statements, and a study of trends of these factors as shown in a series of statements. On the basis of above statement, you can think that financial statement analysis is a postmortem of the business transactions to some extent. Like tools or techniques of financial statement analysis. Financial statements have information about assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, expenses, profit earned or loss incurred, and cash flow of an enterprise in absolute amount. The profit earned, they are not readily understandable to the external users of financial statements. They are not of much use and meaning when analyzed the isolation. They are analyzed with the financial statement of the same enterprise for earlier year, or with that of another enterprises of statement of the same enterprise for earlier year, or with that of another enterprise of similar nature and size operating in a similar business environment. They may be compared with the industry standards, commonly used tool for financial statement analysis are: first, comparative statement. Comparative statement or comparative financial statement means a comparative study of individual item or components of financial statements, that is balance sheet and statement of profit and loss, 2 or more years of the enterprise itself. In comparative statement, amounts of two or more years are placed side by side along with change in amount in the absolute and percentage terms to facilitate comparison. Both statement of profit and loss and balance sheet are prepared in the form of comparative statement or comparative financial statement. Next, common size statement. Common size statement or common size financial statements means statement in which individual items of financial statements of two or more years are placed side by side and thereafter converted into percentage taking a common basis. Common base normally taken is total of assets or total equity and liability. In case of common size balance sheet and revenue from operation. In the case of common size statement of profit and loss, in the balance sheet, the total of assets or equity and liability is taken as 100 and all the figures are expressed as percentage of total. Similarly, in the statement of profit or loss, revenue from operations, that is net sales, is taken as 100 and all amounts are expressed as a percentage of revenue from operation, that is net sales. In this way, comparative statement and common size statement are shown. Now, the third techniques of financial statement analysis is ratio analysis. Ratio is an arithmetical expression of relationship between two related or interdependent components of financial statements of an accounting period. Ratio analysis is an important technique for analyzing financial statements, that is balance sheet and statement of profit and loss. Fourth technique of financial statement analysis is cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is a statement showing flow of cash and cash equivalent or cash equivalent during the accounting period, classified under operating activities, investing activities and financing activities. Cash flow statement shows the sources from which cash is received, you mean cash is generated, and the purposes for which it is utilized, you mean cash is used for which. It also shows the changes in cash position from one period to another. In addition to the above four, fund flow statement and trend percentages are also a tool of financial statement analysis. Since they are not in syllabus, they have not to be discussed here. Now, type of financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis can be classified into four categories. First, external analysis. External analysis is conducted by those